Y'all, Houston, Texas got snow today. Look at that. It's too cold to go out there. Look. Romy got snow today. Go, Romy, go. Yay. Let's go. Oh, it's cold. Oh, look at you, toy, Romy. Look, he came in here and got this one. It's cold. Oh my God, it's cold. Oh my God, it's all in our driveway, y'all. All up the side. Look at that. Hey, Jules. Flojo cocking in with another video. Well, excuse me. Pretty sure y'all already heard that Houston is frozen. So I'm just now trying to get out of the bed from under the blanket to fix her something to eat. This is day 2 without power. Yesterday the power went out all day. It came back on yesterday evening. We were able to take showers and fix cheeseburgers for dinner. And then as soon as the burgers were done, the power went back out about 6, 7 o'clock, and it's been out ever since day 2. It's freezing cold. We tried to put the fireplace on off of some limbs that we have in the backyard here, but we didn't get enough taken down to even make the fire, so that didn't work. Well, I'm about to make some fried chicken. Trying to go ahead and cook up some of the meat in the freezer. We didn't have much anyway, but thank God for a gas stove. So we got the gas stove on. I got all eyes on because I'm trying to warm my hands at the same time. I got a big pot with some cooking oil in it. I seasoned my chicken with some buffalo wing sauce, some mustard, and some spices. We got some legs here we gonna do. And then we got some chicken thighs we gonna do. And we got a beef stroganoff hamburger helper box that we gonna do. Just not put any meat since we have the chicken. I guess I really need to start watching the news because I had no idea that we were about to have a snowstorm, blizzard, or whatever this is. Otherwise, maybe we could have been more prepared. I did not know it was going to snow in Houston, Texas, period. I did hear that it was supposed to be 17 this week on Monday, but I still wasn't anticipating snow just because we don't get it here ever. And if we do, it be lightly and then it hit the ground and melt. So we just not used to that. But we all hungry. We all cold. Babe been trying to get the smoke out of here from the paper she used to try to light the fireplace. So it smell like burnt paper and smoke everywhere. We in survival mode. I just read an article. Plus, we don't have a lot of service for the phones because the Wi-Fi off. And then I guess because the power is off pretty much. Power been off pretty much in Texas everywhere. And I guess that's affecting the towers that even give us the data service that we can use on our phone. So service has been out of whack for these 2 days. But I read an article on Instagram this morning where a woman and her 8-year-old daughter died in the garage from carbon monoxide trying to get warm in the car, but didn't crack the garage door and died. It's horrible. And over here I have some beef stroganoff hamburger helper we found in the pantry. Turned out pretty good. Don't need to add meat because we have chicken, and just needed to add some extra seasoning because it didn't have a flavor. So I just seasoned it up real good. And we got a meal. I guess we'll figure out the next meal as we go. Babe trying to get the ice off the... Me and her are attempting to go down the street to Jack in the Box. We have a Jack in the Box very close to us. The ice is slightly melting. You can see in the people's yards, in our yard. It's melting. Oh, I hope I don't get sick. We're gonna attempt this drive to Jack in the Box to get some food before it get dark. It's supposed to freeze again tonight, so we won't have power anytime soon. Sun done melted most of the ice on the road. Sorry y'all, my voice is groggy. We just woke up from a nap. We all 4 of us had to get in the bed and get under everybody extra blankets and do body heat. Everybody slept with their whole body up under the cover. Alright, we finna have to be piled up in the bed until this is over, just to be warm. We've got action, guys! Y'all don't know how excited I am. Oh, look at these people getting gas packed. Y'all can't see the line over there, but we not going to Kroger's. Look at the line. All the way down here to the shopping center. Now, we done came up in the line. Y'all can see the line better. So, would y'all have stood in that line at Kroger's? Let me know in the comments if y'all would have came over here to Jack in the Box or stood over there in that line to get into the grocery store. Alright, so we had another Kroger's right down the street from us. Thanks be to God, we came where we didn't have to stand in the line, because now look at the line at this one. When we came, they didn't have no line. We just came out. How long is...
Hey, did they get the liquor?
Yeah, we got it. But yeah, we got snacks, a lot of junk food, of course, stuff for burgers and stuff for Rochelle queso. So we should be good for the next couple of days. It feels so good in this truck. I just want to lay down in the truck and sleep in the warmth.